Estatimendeni esikhiphile, iEskom ithe izokwehlisela esigabeni sesibili ukucisha konga ugesi ukusukela kusasa ngenxa yokuthi awusetshenziswa kakhulu ngempela sonto. Ithi kumanje inama megawatts ogesi angu 3104 ahlelelwe ukuba agcine amaziko eEskom esebenza, kanti angu 17431 wona awasebenzi ngenxa yokufa kwamaziko ayo. Izinyunyana ezimele izisebenzi ezitelekile inom kanye nenomsa zithi iEskom kukhona ekwethembisayo ekubeke etafuleni namhlanje, kanti zisazoxoxisana namalungu azo.
Let me confirm that we as Labour we met with Eskom. Eskom has presented an offer, but on the offer that Eskom has presented there are 5 items. In principle, there are two areas that we think that we are moving along, and there are 3 areas that Eskom is taking a caucus so that they can respond us.
The 2 burning issues that must be resolved in this round of wage talks is firstly the across-the-board wage increase that members are making. That's the first thing. The second thing that must be addressed in the proposal is this issue of the conditions of service, which has really become a burning issue for workers at Eskom, especially field workers who are working near the power station plants.
Namhlanje iCEO yeEskom ithe ike yaxoxisana nomengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ngokuqhubekayo ngesimo sogesi wakulelizwe, kepha ayithandanga ukwenaba ngenkulumo ababe nayo.
I was involved in a meeting, 2 meetings as a matter of fact, with the President in the company of Minister Pravin Gordhan. We fully briefed the President on the situation. He is seized with the matter. We discussed a number of potential options. I'm not at liberty to disclose the nature or the content of these discussions.
Ebuzwa ngokuthi ingabe kuthini ukuphawula kwakhe njengoba abanye abantu bethi akehle esikhundleni, uphendule kanje.
My answer is no.